There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's Kraitos Insider Call, the monthly call that we do every month on the first Monday of the month, where I take you through my accounts, through the settings that I'm running, different things that I'm changing to get like better results. So first of all, we're gonna look at Kraitos, then we're gonna look at Kraitos X. I will show you the settings that I'm running on Kraitos. I will show you some settings that I'm testing out for more pairs, especially with the smart money indicator for Forex pairs. And then we will go into Kraitos X, where I will show you the results that I got so far with Kraitos X. And I will also show you some new settings that I put into the back test, and they were performing the best with the lowest drawdown and also with the best profit in the last 3 years. So that's for the settings. And then I will also show you what me and the developer team are working on to make Kraitos and Kraitos X like even better. They're like awesome already. But what we're going to be doing, what we're going to change, it's definitely going to be a game changer. Why? Because we're not going to be stuck in drawdown anymore. We will be closing out trades if there's a trend, if the trend changes, and so on and so on. So a lot of things are in the works. So I think that you're going to be loving Kraitos and Kraitos X even more. So let's jump into the share screen. First of all, let's look here at one of the live accounts that it's running since June 26th. This account deposit was 41,000. Now you can see the withdrawals already 30,000. The customer is up 33% since June, so in 6 months, up 33%, 10,000 euros. For this year, he's up 5%, but it's amazing. So guys, that you know, like one really important thing for all of you to know. Don't try to like beat the market. Don't try to be a hero. Don't try to run any of the EA's, Kraitos or Kraitos X aggressive, because in the end, the market can always show you his teeth and you can always get into some trouble or situations that you don't want to be in. So what it's like my goal with Kraitos and Kraitos X is that I average with Kraitos 4% a month, and that I average with Kraitos X 4% a month, because I'm running them. I will show you both of them on the same account. And if I'm doing with Kraitos X 4%, I'm doing with Kraitos 4%, guys, I'm up 8% per month. And that's like amazing with really low drawdown. So right now, this account, it's only Euro USD, one buy, nothing major, 0.56% drawdown. So then we have here another account that it's also since May 2023, already up also 50%, 6,000 euros, like also like really good first month, up 2%, 1.55, and this month we're already up 1.95%. So it's like the first week, guys, we have 3 more weeks. If we do like 2%, that's like 8% a month only with Kraitos. So the settings that I am running on these accounts, I will also share with you. Here it's my live account. I switched brokers because of the former broker. There's like connection issues, all these things, and I just switched my account because the history of my old broker is gone anyway, so it's like no help to me to run it there anymore. So I open up a new broker. You can see right now in drawdown 1%, and you can see here history when I even like I think that I changed it like with the new year, so I will be also adding more money to this account from the other broker. So you can see nothing major, nice result. I already like withdrew like some money too, a profit 200, withdraw 100. So how I'm running Kraitos right now, I went like with the initial trades a little bit more conservative. I went with 0.01 per 1,500. I am trading 4 pairs, still the same. I'm trading all the standard pairs. I added USD CAT. I don't know, for now I will keep it. I didn't add GBP CAT. I'm staying away from GBP CAT for now. Spread filter in pips, it's 3, 60, 30. And then I have like the smart money confidence. I have it on false because I have like smart money here only on true, and I have quantum zone also on true. I'm getting this way a little bit more trades. Initial trade take profit standard 30 through 10. Here also take profit on managing trades 30 through 10. Like I'm not changing anything because it's working. Like I don't know, like a lot of people like are asking me, oh, what did you change? What did you change? We're gonna change something. Like guys, I'm not the person that it's like constantly trying to change something to micromanaging, because the way we have it set up, it's working perfectly. It's been working perfectly already for 4 years. Like I don't know, like why so many people like want to like change things. Like just let it run. Like put more money onto your accounts, and all of you are gonna be super happy. Add to position, if positive, I have it to false. Relaxing after X many trades, I keep it at 4. Equity protector, I keep it at 25. If I see that Kraitos would go into more drawdown, I can always like widen the drawdown limit. Equity protector, I can always add the 5th trade if I want to, if there is like needed. Max allowed lot size, it's 0.35. At the moment, I'm still doing the same thing, balance divided with 15,000, nothing changed here. Keep trading after equity protector, it's reached. I have it set to true, MT5 notification 4. And here I like to keep it at 10%. And these are like my regular settings. I didn't change anything. I'm keeping everything the same. I know that some of you are stuck in some Euro USD trades and some, I think, NZD CAT trades. So we can also check also a little bit Euro USD to see what is going with Euro USD. Like if I'm completely honest with you, like I'm not looking at charts as much as I used to, because Kraitos, it's like so amazing, such an amazing tool, and like every update we are just making it better and better. But sometimes it can happen that we are stuck in like some drawdown. So Euro USD, like for me, it's like nothing surprising. What happened? I told my team, because if I remember right, we were also like here in sales, and then people are panicking. And I said that like Euro USD is gonna come like somewhere to down here. The next thing what I'm seeing, it's like we can see a potential buy somewhere like to up here. We can see some buys. And yeah, this is it. Like I just keep Kraitos like working. NZD CAT, I know that like some people are in NZD CAT buys. So if you remember, some time ago we were also like in sales. Then people are panicking why it's happening, why we are in sales. We were here also in buys. You can still remember that. I said it's gonna go way up here. It came up here. Now it just retraced, guys. This is just the market. You have to understand the market works in waves. The market doesn't care what EA we are using, what strategy we are using. The market is going to do its thing. So again, the market, you can see NZD CAT. This is a daily candle. We had like a nice rejection here. I can see it maybe to come like to down here, and then we can see like again like the upside, and we will definitely go for these equal lows, because this is on a daily. I know that sometimes it takes a little bit longer that everybody would like to, but we just have to be patient and let the market do its thing. That's why I always say we always have to be on the conservative side of the market. For now, it's nothing major, guys. We're just in drawdown. sometimes that happens. Okay. Then the next thing, what I'm like trying, I'm trying like all the different pairs, and I'm running it here. You can see smart money only on and quantum zone off. So the results for now, they were like really impressive. I'm running this account 0.01 per 20,000. I'm running all the pairs. And you can see right now we have like 2% open trades, nothing like major, less. January we like did 8.88%. Like what? It's like amazing. We just ran into like a little bit more drawdown like once, but this is like on all pairs. So it's like really, really amazing what you can do. Like in my opinion, once your account starts growing, instead of just like putting like more bigger and bigger lot sizes for the initial trade, in my opinion, it's better. What I'm seeing, it's like to add some pairs. I have to verify this my FX book so you guys can get like access to it, so you can do your own analysis. As you can see here, like GBP, JPY, like it's really like the best performing because it's a trending pair. Also Euro NZD, it's performing amazing. Euro JPY, USD JPY, Euro AUD, because these are like pairs that like to go on trends. And when we catch the trend, guys, you just like buying or selling. It's like really amazing to see how it works. The same thing with Euro USD. So I will like make this FX book public, so you can make your own educated decision. Also, you can like put here, let's say, if we started like with $5,000, you can put $5,000 and you can do like your own analysis. And then you can see like drawdown went like to 36,000 to 36%. So like in my opinion, this is like too much. If you go like, let's say, 7,500, 0.01 per every 7,500, you do like analyze. You can see the drawdown, it's like 25. This is like acceptable for me. And you can see like the monthly, it like jumps to 19% a month. Like what? It's like amazing, amazing, guys. Like, I'm telling you, even like if you go 0.01 per $10,000, you can see here, if we analyze this, we are still like up 15% a month with 20% drawdown. So this is like these are like the numbers that I personally like to see. So I will definitely run something like that on my live account, especially once we upgrade Kraitos, and I will show you what we're gonna upgrade. So yeah, I can show you even the settings that I'm running on this account, so you guys can see. Let's me. Okay, so this is this account. Right here, so the settings that I'm running here, we have to like update, because you can see here it like disappeared 20,000, so I'm like waiting that it comes back. But I'm running all the pairs. Minimum required distance between trades, it's 50-20. Correlation filter, it's off. Smart money, it's false. Smart money only, it's true. Quantum zone, it's off. And then I have it like here 35. So I like put in trailing stop loss a little bit sooner. 45, 25. I'm like giving them like here more space, like even up to 10 positions. On a live account, I don't think I would do that. Equity protector, I have it at 100% on the live account. I would definitely not do that. And max allowed lot size, I'm dividing it with 20,000. So the max allowed lot size, it's 1. True, and here it's also chill out when it's 100%, because I wanted like to see like what is the max levels it would open. So far the max levels, I think it was actually like, I think like only once, like 4. We have like here the history, so we can like check this, but you can see like it's really nice with the initial trades. Here was once 3, managing 3. And then we can see what was more. So you can see it's like usually initial trade and then 1 managing. Okay, you can see here it's 4 managing trades. That was Euro USD. We got out. Then we had 3. You see like 3 sometimes comes up. But I think that the managing trade 4 was like the most that I saw, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can see here it's also 3. That was what? USD Swiss franc. 3, you can see managing 3. Managing 3. You can see here managing 5 even. That was again, now that was Euro AUD. So you can see it also happens. But now if this was a sell, but let's see now. Let's open it up to see where it is now. Do we have Euro USD open? New order symbol volume history last month report. Okay, so it's here, view, market watch. Let's find Euro AUD to see where Euro UAD ended up. Chart window. So you can see here it opened up like 5, but like we got like out, you see like perfectly here, and then we just started like buying. And now you see again it's like selling. So it is like a more of a trending pair. So this is like the only one that had like 5, I think. But we can like check more. So yeah, I will also do the MyFX book public so you guys can follow all these things. But yeah, I'm like really loving it, like how it works with more trades, with more pairs open. You can see here for again, it was GBP CAT. So you see, these are like the trending pairs, but even though these pairs make like a lot of moves, like traders, like with this smart money, it's like handling them like really good. So you can see here, okay, we have another 5 here. Okay, I send GBP NZD, so you see GBP NZD, then we have here 4. This is USD JPY. So yeah, these are like more the trending pairs that open, but yeah, it doesn't happen like often they will have like 6 trades open per one pair, but it can happen. But if you start like with a low lot size, initial lot size, then it's not crazy drawdown, and you can like trade more pairs, and this is what I personally really like. So this is like what I'm testing out. And now we can jump into Kraitos X. Okay, so Kraitos X, first of all, this is like my original account that we started, still a demo account. I'm not gonna change it because it's like the longest history once we started like running Kraitos X. So you can see here we are up 8%, really nice, 6% drawdown, 6%. 7% monthly, but it's amazing, guys. I'm telling you, if you do it Kratos 6 and Kratos X6, you're up 12% a month, and you can run it on the same account. I will also show you the settings that I'm running here and also what I'm changing now, what I saw in the back tests. Then Kratos X, you can even have like here are like some of my teammates that they're like trying some new things, and you can see he's up like since December 21. 46%, what is like completely bananas, ludicrous. It was a bigger drawdown, 45%. Me personally, for me, that's like a way too bigger drawdown. I would not run it like that, but you can have like one aggressive account and you can see like how amazing it performed. It did like today 7.39%, which is just like amazing. Then we have here an account that it's a live account, 20K account, and you can see up for 24.2%. Amazing. Just today 0.76%, guys. Amazing. Drawdown 2%, and this is what I like. You see, like monthly 4.20% on Kratos X, 4.20% on Kratos. You're up 8% for the month with a low exposure right now. While it's open, 0.13% drawdown, nothing, and it's 0.8 draw, so he's running 0.01 per 2,500. So amazing result. So what I'm changing in Kratos X, I will show you right now. I don't know if I changed it here, but here it goes. Sorry, this is not the right account. I'll also show you. Okay. Okay, so this is the account. So what I changed now from default settings, I'm still going to be running at 0.01 per 2000. Then the spread filter, you can see here on the side where you have market watch. You can do right click here on the white and you have columns here, and then tick on the spread, okay? Because here you can see spread is jumping between 0 to 10, maybe some 20. So what I did here, instead of having it like 300, I just put it like to 100 because it's enough. I can even put it like to 80 because the spread widens when there is like news. So minimum required distance between trades. I have it here. Sorry, no, this is not a count. This is the default settings. It's here 1,500. And here H1. Here what I saw on the back test. I would I'll see that the results were best on H4. So here I would definitely put it to H4. Here it's false, true, false. Here it's initial take profit 300 through 150. 300 through 150. False, and then relax after X many trade 5. Equity protector 10%. And max allowed lot size. I'm dividing 5,000 with 20,000, so it's 0.25. Keep trading if equity protector is reached. I have it to false because if something happens in the market and I hit a take equity protector of 10%, I don't want like that it jumps immediately into new trades. I rather see that it gets taken off the chart and then I can like evaluate how the market is reacting, where the market is before I decide to restart trading. So chill out, it's at 5%, and these are like the standard settings. Okay. So now what I changed, I will show you on the other account. And I changed this. Okay. I will be running this account 0.01 per 1250. Again, you can see here, spread filter in it's 80. Minimum required distance between trades, I put it to 1,250. Decision units in pips, 500. Same candle trading, I left it here to true. So if you want to be a little bit more conservative, you can set it to false. That means like if when Kraitos opens up a trade, it closes us out in a profit. The 30-minute candle has to close, and then once another 30-minute candle, new 30-minute candle open, then Kraitos is allowed to open more trades. So here I'm gonna keep it at true. Here smart money time frame, I will put it to H4. And then what I have here is initial trade take profit. It's 150, true, and 50. So what does that mean? That it's gonna put in a trailing stop loss really fast. It's gonna trail, so it's gonna chip like away, like small trade, small trade, small trade, small trade. And then like here, I have it like also 150, and I have trailing stop loss and managing trades set to false. Why? Because I want to get as soon as possible out of the trades when there's like more than one trade opens. So because I want to make the most profit and on the initial trade, okay? So I'm making it like a scalper. I'm going to show you the results for today. And then I have it here set to false, false, 5. Here I put equity protector to 100. Why? Because I'm running on this account, I'm running Kraitos, I'm running Kraitos X plus something new that is coming to AP, that's radar. That's automated signal. So I will also show you the results for that, so you can see like what we're doing, what we're working on, and why I'm like so excited that we can run all these things on one account. And then true and chill out at 25%. So it's okay. And this is like these settings that I just explained to you. I put it today on a $1 million account, and I will show you what happened today. Okay, first of all, colors so we can see better, yellow on black. Okay, so you can see here is the account, and today it was just like a perfect day. So you can see here we started selling here, sell, 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 sell. We cut like the whole sell to the downside, and you can see here like the history. I'm gonna open up the history for you. Okay, history, and we will just put here custom period, and we will do here today. Press OK. And you can see here, this is like everything like Kraitos X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades today, guys. 14 trades. And this is with the new settings that I just showed you. And you can see we are up $7,200 just today. And keep in mind, I'm like only running here like 0.01 per 5,000. So imagine if I would be running 0.01 per 1,000. This would be like easy today, like 2 to 3%. Okay, so this is what we are doing. I'll also now show you the way how it looks in the back end, like when we are like doing like different back tests. So you can see here that you guys don't see these things, okay? You don't see all these lines, so you don't see like all the information that I see when I'm doing the back test. This is like how we can make it like better. We're doing like the back test. So the next thing, what we're implementing, I will show you right now, okay? So first of all, you can see here, let me, okay? So you can see here like a market expansion right here. So what is gonna happen? This is the smart money indicator that it's running in the back. So what is gonna happen here? Okay, once Kraitos, let's say here, so Kraitos gets a buy signal, and we buy here, buy, boom, we buy to here. And as soon as we get the first candle, that it goes to the downside, the first candle, the bearish candle, if we are here in buys, when we get the first bearish candle close, we will close out these buys. So what does that mean? We will close out like 0.1% in minus, whatever, okay? And then what we're going to be waiting? We're going to be waiting that Kraitos, the smart money structure is going to be broken, okay? So what we're going to be waiting for? We're going to be waiting for that here, once the first candle closes above here, we're going to start like buying, like how you see here, buy, bam. And then you can see here, it was the first bearish candle. Here was the first bearish candle. So if we would open up a buy here, first bearish candle, we would close. But the market expanded way more to the upside. So what is going to happen? First candle closes, new structure, boom, we're going to be buying up to here. And then once we get the first bearish candle, we're not going to be buying. So what we're going to be waiting, we're not going to be buying or selling here, because either the market has to expand to the upside or the market has to go to the downside. So if the market will go underneath here, candle closes, we would start selling. But the market didn't do that. We wouldn't sell, we wouldn't sell, we wouldn't sell. The candle closed above the green line, we would start buying, buying, okay? Bearish candle, we would be closing out, and so on. So this is like the first thing that we are adding. Then the next thing we are adding is also here, okay? If something like that happens, that we are in buys and there is like a break of structure to the downside, you will have an option to say, okay, if the market broke to the downside, close out buys and continue trading with a trend, or you can just leave it and it can manage it out, like how it's working for now. So this is like two things that we are adding. Then what else we are adding? I wrote it down here. Change on buy close, what we said. Okay, the information panel should also show the current drawdown. You will also have that in the information panel. You will see here like Kraitos drawdown in percentages and then total account drawdown. So you know how much Kraitos sits in drawdown, how much Kraitos exits in drawdown. Okay, and then also we're going to be working on calculate the loss size based on equity and not the balance. So what we're going to gain with that, because now people are going to be trading Kraitos on the same account, Kraitos X on the same account, and then maybe also adding automated signals, maybe in the future also like Flash coming out on MT5 on the same account, Gearbox on the same account, so we'll be calculating it on the equity. So we lower the risk. And also here you can see the $1 million account, and this was just like just amazing today. You can see this was like only gold 0.46%. You can see this account, it's up like already 31% since we started, like right now 4% drawdown, nothing major. But what you can see here is actually like 6%, 7, 12%, and 6% in January. Now we're already up 2.5%, what is like just amazing, okay? And then also, I want to show you here where it's radar, Kraitos and Kraitos X on the same account. We did 0.11% today. We are up 2.8% for this month, and last week we did 8%, okay? This account is a little bit riskier side, but just imagine if we do with automated signals, radar 4%, Kraitos 4%, Kraitos X 4%, guys, this is like 12%. It's like just amazing. And yeah, we're just like pushing the limits farther and farther without increasing any risk. And this is like always important, not increasing risk, but increasing the profits and the upside potential. And yeah, guys, I hope that you got a lot of information. Watch the video many times so you can get like the scoop to see what I did. Pause the video and yeah, adjust it to your liking. Learn how Kraitos works, and your results are just gonna get better and better. So thank you for joining in, everybody that joined in live, everybody that watched the recording. See you next month, and I wish you all success in the world, and I wish you really good trades. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.